Thinking about adding some crypto to your portfolio, but feeling a little lost? You're not alone. The world of digital assets can be complex and intimidating, with talk of wallets, private keys, and exchanges. For many people, a managed crypto portfolio through a familiar platform is the ideal solution. And that's exactly what Betterment now offers. Betterment has always been about making investing simple, automated, and accessible. And they've brought that same philosophy to their new crypto portfolios. So, what exactly are you getting and what do you need to know? Let's break it down. First, Betterment's crypto portfolios aren't about direct ownership of individual coins. Instead, they give you exposure through expertly managed portfolios of crypto ETFs, that's exchange-traded funds. Think of it like a mutual fund for crypto. This approach gives you access to a basket of assets without the hassle of managing a direct crypto wallet. Betterment offers a few different portfolio options, including a Bitcoin and Ethereum portfolio, which focuses on the two largest cryptocurrencies, and a more diversified universe portfolio. They've also got a portfolio with a sustainability focus, designed to include cryptocurrencies that use less energy. The point is to give you choices based on your interests and risk tolerance. And speaking of risk, Betterment is very clear about the volatile nature of crypto. They recommend keeping your crypto allocation to a small percentage of your overall portfolio, typically no more than 5%. This is a crucial point because crypto can experience sharp swings in value, and a small allocation helps to manage that risk within your broader financial plan. Now, let's talk about the cost. Betterment charges a management fee on its crypto portfolios. It's an additional fee on top of their standard stock and bond portfolio fees, but it's an all-in-one fee that covers everything from trading to rebalancing. They also work with a regulated crypto custodian, Gemini, which adds a layer of security and trust. So, if you're a Betterment user or you're considering a new robo-advisor, their crypto offering could be an excellent way to dip your toes into the digital asset space without getting overwhelmed. It automates the process and provides guardrails, all while leveraging the same tax-smart and rebalancing strategies that Betterment is known for. It's an easy on-ramp for a new and exciting asset class. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.